been tracking for you this evening on What's Brewing today. Multi-cloud storage management platform Lucidity has raised a $21 million Series A funding round led by Westbridge Capital with participation from existing investor AlphaWave. The venture claims it transforms how enterprises manage and orchestrate their cloud storage infrastructure across AWS, Azure and Google Cloud. And to tell us how, joining me now is its co-founder, Vatsal Rastogi. Vatsal, welcome to Startup Street. You call yourselves the world's only multi-cloud storage management platform. So you're saying you don't have competition. Also, take us through your offerings. Tell us how you're helping enterprises optimize cloud storage.
Well, thanks a lot for having me here, first of all, and it's a real pleasure to be here. I'll talk more about what we are doing as an organization. Storage management is the space in which we are at, and organizations in general spend a lot of their resources into cloud management. It's set to touch about $230 billion within 2025 itself, and within this, the cloud verticals infrastructures is the biggest spender, and this is one of the areas that we are targeting as well. Within storage infrastructure, cloud infrastructure, about 30 to 40% of the resources go to waste. They are unused capacity and they are just added as buffer space, within which storage is one of the areas which has not gotten the due attention that it should so far. And this is the space that we are targeting. With Lucidity, we have brought the world's first multi-cloud storage orchestration platform. We are live in AWS, Azure, and GCP, and we are the only company in the world to be able to do so. Our recent fundraisers and our growth and our customer love has been a testament to that. We serve one of the largest airlines globally. We serve one of the largest credit rating firms and some of the notable names in the Fortune 1000 companies.
All right. You also claim that your storage management platform helps clients that are Fortune 500 companies cut costs by up to 70%. Vatsal, take us to your tech edge. How do you do this on real-time data demands?
Right. That's a good question. So what happens is that enterprises typically over-provision their infrastructure by a margin. In a lot of cases, it's on an average, it's 3 to 5x. And in some cases, we've seen it to be about 10 times more provisioned, which means they're actually paying 10 times more than what they ought to. And this is where Lucidity comes in. With our intelligent auto-scaling mechanism, we are able to cut down this buffer, and we are able to optimize their infrastructure so that they actually pay only what they use. Now we are with our inbuilt technology where we work very closely with the infrastructure layer and the operating system layer, we are able to bring these improvements and innovations to the customer. And we are able to act in real-time basis and in a matter of seconds, make adjustment so that the customer does not end up paying anything more than what they ought to.
All right, let's now get to the fundraise, Vatsal. Tell us, how do you plan to allocate the funds raised? I understand you plan to expand the go-to-market team and continue innovating the platform to solve key storage management problems for enterprises. Share with us what's in the pipeline.
Right, that's a really good question, and you've been spot on in terms of how we want to address this fundraise as well. It's going to be a twofold approach. We are in a great position in terms of our market positioning. It's a greenfield space, and we want to bring this product in front of as many customers as possible. Majority of the customers are global enterprises, and we would like to be in front of them as much as possible. So a significant part of the investment goes there. That being said, we are a deep tech organization and innovation is the living soul of the organization. So we will continue to invest into R&D and look to bring more innovative product and solutions to our customers.
Also, since inception in 2021, Lucidity has seen 400% year-over-year growth. Vatsal, what have been the growth drivers for you? And if you could take us through your current business growth in terms of revenues and scale.
So that's actually a testament to the value proposition that we are bringing to our customers, and our customers absolutely love what we are doing, and we look to capitalize on that, and we want to continue to be in front of our customers as much as possible, provide them real tangible solutions to the problem that they're looking for, and we want to be able to do it consistently. One of the things that I'd like to highlight is that this is a very mission critical space for our customers, and the only reason they trust us is because we are able to deliver them value consistently over the years. And we look to double down on that and let the word of mouth speak for itself and be able to attract as much customers as possible.
So any targets that you can share with us?
Unfortunately, I won't be able to share specifics here, but we want to go very aggressive here. We want to at least triple our revenue within this year itself and set us up very nicely for the upcoming years.
Okay. Vatsal, as the adoption of cloud continues to accelerate, of course, there's an increasing need for its optimization and a simultaneous need to reduce overall cloud spend as well. What kind of a potential going forward do you see for Lucidity? And also, if you could share your future revenue and expansion targets, any new markets that you're eyeing?
Right. So that's a really good question because we are very bullish about what the future lies ahead. And with the digital transformation age that has begun over the last few years and AI being a true catalyst of this age as well, the next few years are going to see data generation explode. Data has become the fuel of these organizations, and this is the blood and soul of these organizations. And we want to be at that layer where we provide them truly innovative solutions that help address their problems. So to answer your question, we foresee that the market is going to expand multifold. Right now, we are bringing one product to our customers, but that's not the end goal. We want to bring them a lot more offerings, which look to address multitudes of challenges that they face right now, and they don't have a solution in sight, and be able to address all these diverse markets.
Okay. One final question before I let you go, Vatsal. This Series A round follows a seed round by BNext that you raised in June last year. This round brings your total funding to $31 million. Will you be looking to raise more funds to fuel your growth plans anytime soon?
Oh, absolutely. We would definitely want to look to expand from here, but we would like to take this in terms of a requirement basis. Now that we have a fresh infusion of capital, we look to actually make this capital work. And whenever we are at the right stage, we would look to go out into the market again.
All right. With that, it's time for me to wrap up our conversation. Vatsal, wish you the very best for all your growth plans. And many thanks for joining us on Startup Street today.
Thanks a lot for having me.